Tea and Yarn people, welcome back. I know it's been a long time, but wait, I got some goodies to show you. Welcome back to Tea and Yarn with Christine Murray. A lot of things have changed. Teavana closed down everywhere. No more Teavana. That's okay. I started working at David's Tea for a little while. Really enjoyed it, really fun. David Tea closed down, so there's no more David's Tea. That's okay. There's another tea shop in the mall. No, I am not working there, but I probably will be shopping there. So for Christmas, I got a new tea maker. So here's the old tea maker. So this is the old tea maker from Teavana. As you can see, the top has broken off. It's definitely had some love. That's okay, that's tannins in there. That's tea stains, it's not dirt. It will look like this eventually. Look at my new and it even has a bottom again. Thank you, Becky. And of course, I got tea with my gift because I need more tea. I don't, but I can always use tea from all over. This is Ethiopian tea. I love tea from all around the world. I'm so excited to try it. Okay, so we are going to try this tea together. Now, oh, okay. I was going to say, there are directions on here, but it's not in English. But it's this side, and then English is on that side. I would assume that this is the same way you make tea all over, but let's probably read the instructions. So here's my Teavana teaspoon. So for each cup, put 1 teaspoon. All right, yep. I'm glad I read it, because I definitely probably would have put like 2. And I have over here a little over a cup of water. All right, does it tell you how long it brews for? 2 minutes. Okay, so we got our teaspoon. We got our hot water. Okay, 2 minutes on the clock. All right, in the meantime, I want to show you the other tea I got for Christmas. This was absolutely delicious. Now, turmeric though, or turmeric, is very stainy. So this will not be going in teapot under any circumstances because I do not want my new clean, clear teapot to turn yellow. Also, in the meantime, I guess we'll start doing some yarn. this is one of those teas that's really, really good with like fruits and not like a cream base. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna finish the rest of that. And I'm going to add some cookies. Thanks, Dad. Dad dropped off some cookies from my favorite place, my favorite cookie place. All right, guys, it was nice seeing you again. We're gonna have more tea tastings up ahead. Have a great day.